Hey, good morning. We're here in Bobby's Hobbies and we're running some trains. That's one of the new advantages that we have now because we built those shelves. Those shelves are allowing locomotives to be stored with easy access as opposed to putting them away in the box, and you can't grab them when you want them. And yet they're not all over the layout. So the layout now is operational. Now, it's not fully operational because we still have those tracks down there we got to clear up. So this layout was designed to have four easy operational main lines in HO.